morning children. Today we are going to learn about taskbar, which is one of the parts in the desktop screen. Already I explained something about this in the previous class. Now we are going to see some more important matters about the taskbar. It is a horizontal bar. By default, it's placed at bottom of the desktop screen, but we can move it to the top, left or right of the screen. This taskbar menu consists of small icons such as Start button, Quick Launch toolbar, Notification area, System clock and Show desktop button. Let us see one by one. First one, Start menu. This is an important menu in the taskbar because it opens the Start menu and display the options to start and shut down a computer. It also displays the list of programs available in the computer. You can directly operate this menu by pressing the Windows key in the keyboard. Clear children? Now can you say which one is an important button in the taskbar? No doubt, Start button is an important button in the taskbar. Clear children? Next one, Quick Launch toolbar. Quick Launch toolbar is presented on the taskbar. It contains buttons that are frequently used. You can easily add or remove program icons from the Quick Launch toolbar. It's a separate area of the taskbar which by default is displayed to the right of the Start button. We can also create new Quick Launch toolbar on the taskbar. To open Quick Launch toolbar, first right-click an empty area on the taskbar. Then one small box will be displayed on the taskbar. Point to toolbar option and click new toolbar option in the small box. Those who have computer at home, just you try to do this small exercise in your system. Next one, notification area. It notifies about network connectivity, email and status of the programs running in the background. Notification area is one part of the taskbar. It provides a temporary sources for notifications and status. It can also be used to display icons for system and program features that have no presence on the desktop. This notification area is also known as system tray or status area because it provides a temporary source for notifications and status. Next one, system clock, which shows the current time and date. It placed at right corner of the taskbar. Last one, show desktop button. It is located on the bottom right corner of the taskbar, right side of the system clock. When you click this button, it minimizes all the running programs and displays the desktop. So, for what purpose we are using this button, children? To minimize all the running programs and displays the desktop. We can use one more shortcut key to do this work. We can show running programs in the desktop by clicking Windows button and D together in the keyboard. Already I told one shortcut key. What is that, children? Instead of Start button, we can use Windows button in the keyboard. So when you press Windows button in the keyboard, we can see all programs options above the Start button. Clear children? Children, all of you should know how to identify Windows button in the keyboard. Two Windows buttons are there. One is on the right side of the spacebar key, another one is on the left side of the spacebar key. Next to Alt key. Both side next to Alt key. When you press Windows button and D together, you should use any one Windows button in the keyboard. Don't press two Windows button in the keyboard. Clear, children? I repeat, taskbar. It is one part of the desktop screen. It is a horizontal bar present at the bottom of the desktop. It has some parts. They are start button, quick launch icons, notification area, system clock, show desktop button. Start button is an important button among them. Thank you, children. God bless you.